Well, I'm ready now for episode number 7 in the Arduino Odyssey, also known as Arduino for Fuddy-duddies. I have the Arduino board plugged into the computer right now, and when it said that you upload that blink program and it's going to blink forever, they sure were right about that, because that little orange LED is blinking on for 1 second, off for 1 second, repeatedly. Every time I plug the thing in anymore now. So let's open up the Arduino button. Now on my start menu, most of which you can see here, I have an Arduino. I pinned the Arduino program to it. So here's the sketch. This is the blank sketch, and remember when I tried to verify this, fuddy-duddy that I am, that blank sketch wouldn't verify because I was trying to verify something that did not exist. The instruction manual didn't really make that terribly clear, but let's go back to the blink program. I wanted to try a little experiment for you. So let's go to examples, basics, blink. Now here is the blink program. This is what the program actually looks like. They're explaining things as they go. This isn't just the program. This is explanations of how it goes. It says the loop routine runs over and over again forever. Well, I guess forever until the Arduino board meets its demise and returns to dust, as everything in this planet eventually will. Now it says delay 1000. Now I guess that would be 1,000 milliseconds. Wait for 1 second. Digital write, make the LED go low for 1 second. Go high for 1 second. Go low for 1 second. Well, I thought, let's try editing this. This is a read-only file, but I can edit it and not try to save it again. Let's try to make that 2 seconds. 2,000 milliseconds. And then I'll change the explanation. I don't know if you can actually read this or not. This is awfully small type. Awfully small text, but wait for 2 seconds. Wait for 2 seconds. Now I will hit this arrow right up here. Upload. Compiling sketch, it says. It did it. It compiled the sketch. Now let's look at the board. Indeed, that orange LED is now going on for 2 seconds and off for 2 seconds. One more little experiment. Let's try, see what happens if I plug a 500 in there. Now I would say that'd be a half a second. That'd be my guess. So just to be absolutely beautiful and rigorous about this whole thing, I'll say wait for 1/2 second. Now this is my theory. I don't know if that's gonna work. But let's hit upload now and see what happens. Compiling sketch. Yes, indeed, some other LEDs blinked. And then now yes, that little orange LED is going twice as fast as the 1 second it originally went, and only 1/4 as fast as the 2 seconds. Well, that would be my guess. A half a second on, half a second off. So I have, in fact, succeeded here in writing my own program after a fashion. Maybe you're wondering what that noise in the background is. That noise in the background is a little digital electronic mode. Save changes to blink? No. These are the rings of Saturn in my great images in NASA wallpaper, but what you're hearing in the background there is digital synchronous signals. Digital synchronous signals, which require a computer timed to a time standard in order to operate. And I'm just thinking, Someday I'd like to write a little program for this Arduino to make it synchronize my computer for that digital mode. It's a ham radio mode. If I do, I will hear that? Multiple frequencies. And they're synchronized so that, and they claim that it provides an improvement over the best previously known digital modes, which happen to be Morse code, by the way, in case you were wondering. Morse code by ear. Well, that'll just about do it for this little lecture. I hope you followed me along in my musings all the way. Stan Gibilisco, signing off until next time. So long.